In the fiercely competitive gaming monitor market, Titan Army has upped the ante by introducing their latest offering, the P27A6R. Building on their reputation for cutting-edge displays, Titan Army has combined mini LED technology, a 2K resolution, and an impressive 180Hz refresh rate to create a gaming monitor that stands out in the crowd. At the heart of the P27A6R is a 27-inch FAST IPS panel, boasting a 2K resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. This display dimension and resolution combination ensures that users experience crisp and detailed visuals, making it ideal for gaming, video editing, and other visually demanding tasks. The 180Hz refresh rate further enhances the gaming experience by delivering smooth motion and reducing motion blur. One of the standout features of the P27A6R is its mini LED backlight technology, which incorporates 384 dimming zones. This innovation results in superior contrast and HDR performance when compared to traditional LED backlights. Supporting HDR 1000, the monitor achieves a peak brightness of 1000 nits, providing a vivid and dynamic visual experience. In terms of color reproduction, the P27A6R covers an impressive 97% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. This wide color spectrum makes it an excellent choice for color-critical work, ensuring accurate and vibrant representation across various applications. The 1 millisecond response time further reinforces its gaming prowess, delivering responsiveness crucial for competitive gaming scenarios. The P27A6R also showcases versatility in its appearance, thanks to its adjustable stand. Users can tilt, swivel, pivot, and adjust the height of the monitor to achieve the optimal viewing angle for their setup. For those looking to save desk space or achieve a customized display arrangement, the monitor supports VESA mounting, allowing it to be easily attached to a wall or other compatible mounting brackets. In an exciting development for gaming enthusiasts and tech aficionados, Titan Army's cutting-edge P27A6R is now available for pre-order on JD.com at a compelling price of 1,999 yuan, translating to approximately $290. As pre-orders for the P27A6R kick off on JD.com, the gaming community eagerly anticipates the arrival of this feature-packed monitor, poised to redefine expectations and deliver exceptional value for its price. With Titan Army's commitment to pushing the boundaries of display technology, the P27A6R is poised to make waves in the gaming monitor market, offering a compelling option for those in search of a premium yet affordable gaming experience. As the gaming monitor market continues to evolve, Titan Army's P27A6R emerges as a noteworthy contender, combining advanced display technologies with a focus on user flexibility and performance. With its mini LED display, high refresh rate, and versatile appearance, the P27A6R aims to capture the attention of gamers and professionals alike, contributing to the ongoing innovation in the gaming monitor landscape. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Have a nice day and good luck.